Welcome to Zag. Let's go over the basics of the platform so that you can dive in and start using apps right away. First off, you'll need to create a campaign, and then you can activate apps inside of it. If you're promoting your own business, then you'll probably just need a single campaign. If you're an agency, then it's best to create a separate campaign for each client. You can set up one of your campaigns to be the primary, which just means that when you log in, it will be the active campaign by default. You can toggle between campaigns from the main screen or from the campaign drop-down menu up top. Now you're ready to add your first app. After ensuring the correct campaign is selected, just click the New App button in the header menu. This takes you to Zag's suite of apps. You can activate any app you want up to the maximum that your plan allows. This lets you customize exactly what you need for each campaign. Clicking the Preview button will pop open a window that shows you how the app works. You can also activate the app from this pop-up. Here's how easy it is to activate an app and start supercharging your traffic and engagement. Once the app is activated, you'll be taken right to the setup page where you can enter your targets and adjust your automation settings. While this varies from one app to the next, it generally takes 60 seconds or less to get rolling. Once you've configured the app, just click on the Back to App button to see the results displayed. From there, you can dig into the results that the app has surfaced. In general, almost all of our apps are designed to be a perpetual discovery engine rather than a manual search engine. This lets you automate the discovery process and let the insights come to you. For our recommended automation cycles, strategy ideas, video tutorials, and best practices for each app, just click on the Strategy tab on the right side of the app display. To stay organized, use our asset system to save certain results that seem the most useful to your marketing operations. You can do this by simply clicking the star icons in-app. These items will then be available in the Assets section, and from there you can add your own notes, organize them further into a customized segment, and export them to a spreadsheet. Now let's talk about managing your app's automation settings and optional overages. Most of our apps are built to automatically refresh at certain cycles. You can set your apps to pull in new data daily, weekly, or monthly. We have different recommendations for each app, which you can see by clicking the Strategy tab when you're viewing the app in question. And for our more advanced users, you can also choose to add additional query capacity on a pay-as-you-go basis. This will depend on how many sites, keywords, or other targets you want to scan each time the app refreshes. Apps that refresh daily or weekly may need more queries depending on how many targets you want the app to scan. Keep in mind that the Manage Usage page is campaign dependent, so it's important to ensure you're looking at apps connected to the correct parent campaign. The vast majority of our users will not need to add additional query capacity. The default amount included in your plan will generally be more than sufficient. Similarly, managing your billing settings is a cinch. From this page, you can get a consolidated bird's eye view of billing activity across all your campaigns. And you can also manage your funding source easily and at any time. For agencies or larger companies, adding multiple users is a cinch. You can either invite someone to be an analyst or an admin, and you can select which campaigns they can access. Lastly, I strongly encourage you to go ahead and join our dedicated Zag Facebook group. This is the place to connect with the Zag team and other awesome marketers to talk strategy, learn from experienced growth experts, and accelerate your results with using Zag and growing your business. Thanks so much for signing up, and welcome to the Ultimate Content Marketing Suite.